okay, that's more back to Charlie Chaplin days. I'm sorry. Dasher, I gotta talk to old West on this.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, that fixing to block out a British naval officer. Not too long ago, we was at war with them, getting our independence. But what I'm really doing is blocking. I might have to go a little. I have to go up with a 6-inch crown.
Okay.
So I gotta wet it a little bit more.
Okay. Yeah, I noticed you were a little jumpy today.
No, that was because I done that because the film is black and white.
Oh.
No. And it looks like an old film.
Yeah, I understand.
I just done the minor voice. Now, this is hot now.
Hey, Chihuahua. David Baclue says hello from New Jersey.
All right.
Is it Baclue or Buckaloo?
Baloo. Huh? What, Baloo? There was a cat Baloo.
And this is the point, folks, when that felt is hot and you're trying to get it pulled out, it takes skin. It takes skin with it, quickly.
But, like, 16, now this off Hardy, that's even more difficult.
Yes. I seem to remember you starting me the very first time on a Hardy block.
Yeah.
I just realized that. Why did you do that?
Because that way you're like, oh, that looks easy. Oh, yeah.
Kelly and Richie McLaughlin say, hey, Grizz. They loved that purple hat this morning. 3 Jugs says, looking good, Grizz.
All right. I'm getting it there.
Getting it. Okay.
And you know what happens when it gets down. Sometimes it happens.
And you know what? If that happens, it happens.
Oh, no.
That is not my fault.
I almost tried it right up here. What? What?
She said, not 3 Jugs, dang it. Only she didn't say dang it.
Was it? 3 Jugs.
Sandra McGarry.
Where did you get 3 Jugs at?
Ah, that's my mistake, Sandra. She said, Susan. That's Susan is 3 Jugs. And this is Sandra. Okay. It's her sister from another mister.
Oh, okay. I don't like it up there. But anyway, it's too late. Because somebody's got my spot where I usually go with my string. Sitting there.
Well, you know what? All these wonderful people could not watch you. If your string was over here in the spot you wanted to be. Because then I would not be filming. Because
this is be standing up filming.
No.
Okay. I don't win much arguments around here. But I try anyway. No, that is. All right, now.
Sandra said to tell you she wears your hat.
All right, good deal. Now, I'm getting down to the point. I gotta add some more water.
She pulled it out of your cold, dead hands.
What was I doing?
Glug, 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 dribble, 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 splash, splash, splash.
Okay.
Oh, baby.
Oh, yeah. That was my, twirling.
Dramatic.
Dramatic, yeah. Did it do
Dramatic placement of the water pot.
Did it do the attic?
Splash, 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 splash. It's splashing now.
Oh, yeah. I could have done that. I didn't want you to get,
Thank you for thinking of me, darling.
Yeah, I wanted to share all with
Well, you got that down quick.
Huh?
I said, you got that work down quick.
You did.
Now, you see, folks, this creates this beautiful ruffle on the hat. Spin it around, let them see that ruffle.
Gonna take care of. Yeah.
Oh, but I think it's so pretty.
Okay, I'll leave
Not.
the ruffle, but I bet the guy
I don't think the guy would like that too much.
No, I'll watch it now.
Okay. We like it hot, hot, hot. We like it.
And I like to use wet water when I'm doing it.
So, all of you out there that are learning the hat making or improving your
Wet
skills, remember,
water.
make sure you use wet water,
Yeah.
not dry water.
No.
Got to be wet water,
It's got to be wet. And hot. No, don't forget that.
but not too hot.
Yeah. But
Not boiling, because we've had someone
make sure it's got to be hot and wet.
hot and wet. Mr. Maurice himself says hello. Actually, he says, hey, y'all.
All right. Then we got snow on the ground. And it was -1 chill factor this morning. When's the last time ask him when's the last time it's been -1?
Mr. Maurice, there in Taylor, Arkansas, when's the last time it was -1 degree?
$1955. Now, see, you can't see it because I'm going through the cloth, but see, you still see the wrinkle underneath there.
Yeah,
But that's what
it's getting better.
Oh, yeah.
You can also see, folks, as you see where that cloth lightens up, that's where it's drying out a little bit.
Did you
Pressing
tell
the
them
water
what
out?
I'm making here?
Yes, this is a British naval officer's hat. Okay, we've got one guy wanting to know whether our pressing cloths are canvas or wool. Here in the shop, they are neither, but they're an absorbent material, synthetic, that we use just because we can use them over and over again and wash them. They stand up to washing much better than canvas does. Out on the road, he used to use canvas.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And there's nothing wrong with it.
Canvas is very good for that. You could also use a wool cloth. That would be fine. But both canvas, not so much the wool, especially the canvas. If you're going to use canvas ironing cloths, you need to make sure and sew up your edges, all the edges. Because once you go to washing them or using them even, but especially washing them, that they will be coming all apart.
Now, what I got to do, I'm going to pull a little bit over there. And a little bit here.
Okay, folks, we're fixing to pull some to stretch out the brim a little bit in a couple of spots. Now, the British naval officer's hat gets cut at 2 7/8. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, so we need a good, say, 3 1/4, 3 1/2.
Yeah.
About a good 3 1/2 inches all the way around, so that we can have a good cut. Because you do not want to cut right by the edge. You get in where you well into the body of the felt.
okay. Little tub, you know how that goes. Just half it. Okay. I'm happy. All right.
He's happy, folks. The hat maker is happy.
What was that question you going to ask me a while ago about who was that?
Joe Wackers.
Yeah.
Why are you so jumpy, Grizz?
What was I supposed to say?
Oh, jokes don't do any good if you don't remember your lines.
Oh.
Joe Wacker said that asking everybody to please quit asking Santa for the perfect man, because somebody has tried to kidnap him 3 times already.
Well, Joe, that's bragging rights right there. Yeah, it is. I used to help them all the time. Oh, yeah.
Okay, now Maurice has got a question for you.
Okay.
He wants to know if he can make a hat out of felt that was used in a paper mill.
Oh, on the rolling machine? That's probably what he's talking about. No.
Because it's not in a cone shape to start with, right?
No, it's just in sheets.
Yeah. So
I know
if
what
you...
he's talking about, yeah.
So in theory he could make something like a top hat or something, but it would be by sewing the pieces together, not by blocking it.
Right.
Okay, so for
Yeah,
blocking you got to have
yeah.
it in a cone. That's it. That'd be an interesting idea.
I
Yeah.
know what felt he's talking about.
Okay.
But I don't know how durable it'd be to pull.
Uh-huh.
I know what kind of felt he's talking about.
He says right.
Huh?
He says right.
Mm-hmm.
It'd be an interesting thing to play with.
Oh, yeah.
You have access to a bunch of it.
Now, that might, was it, he's the one mentioned about the ironing cloth?
No, it was another guy mentioning that.
But that wouldn't be...
That would make really good ironing cloths, Maurice.
Yeah, that's... Okay. It is laid out now.
Ooh, here. I'm going to come up over the top of it. If I don't hang still on something. Okay, now spin it.
Bye.